Problem 80 asks us to explain why finding the derivative requires both the use of the chain rule and the product rule in parts A and B, and then it asks us to find the derivative. Part A asks us to find the derivative of the square root of sine x times cosine x, which can be rewritten as the derivative of sine x times cosine x to the power of 1/2. So with the chain rule, we have to find the derivative of the function as a whole, and then the function of the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. So they did that over here. 1/2 times sine x times cosine x to the power of -1/2. And then this is the product rule, since the inside part of this chain is a product, sine x times cosine x. So here, we're multiplying, as part of the chain rule, we're finding the derivative of the inner part by using the product rule. So the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. So the final answer simplified is 1/2 times sine x times cosine x to the power of -1/2 times negative sine squared x plus cosine squared x. Part B asks us to find the derivative of root x times sine x to the third. So here we obviously have to use the product rule to find the derivative, but since the function is a product, so within the product rule we also have to use the chain rule to find, because it's first times the derivative of the second, to find the derivative of sine x to the third. We have to use the chain rule to find the derivative of the function as a whole times the derivative of the function inside this parentheses here. And we have to do the same thing for the second part. The first times the derivative of the second plus the second, this term, times the derivative of the first. So you have to use the chain rule for the root x function as well.